Hello and welcome to Pacific Simulators, where we produce Boeing and Airbus simulators to airlines for training. Today we are working on the handrails for our new A350 FJ2000 simulator. We're going to cut the bases for these posts. The design team send us the files to be cut out. We load them onto the WAZER using the web-based program to do so. Previously, our work was either done with grinders, CNC, or sent out to third-party suppliers. Today we're cutting out of 8mm in stock, but we regularly cut metals and rubber ranging all the way down to 1mm thick. We love the WAZER here, producing a range of parts for our simulators quickly, accurately and efficiently.